Now, Canadian energy stock prices are rebounding slightly after tumbling following U.S. action in Venezuela. Oil and gas analysts are worried Venezuelan oil may come back on tap for the American market and reduce demand from our country. CTV's Nicole Lampa has the latest on this side of the story. So, Nicole, what are oil and gas analysts saying about market reaction at this point?
Well, Kent, the analysts that we spoke with expect a course correction today after the TSX Energy Sub-Index dropped more than 3% yesterday, saying that reaction was overdone. Speaking in France this morning, Prime Minister Mark Carney had this to say about Venezuelan oil potentially coming back to the global market.
The Canadian oil will be competitive because it is low risk, clearly low risk. Low cost, the marginal costs, there's been huge progress in getting down the costs, and low carbon, which is what the Pathways project, carbon capture, will bring.
There is concern American access to Venezuela's vast oil reserves could lead to a drop in demand from Canada. Right now, the United States is Alberta's largest oil customer. Oil and gas analysts say the supply and demand balance has not yet changed, saying at the moment there is no immediate threat to Canadian oil, but they are concerned that will change in the long term.
Alberta producers couldn't have come at a worse time. And so it's going to impact the entire country. And hopefully that's enough of a wake-up call to put forward and get this memorandum of understanding put into action and getting a pipeline built so we can get that oil to other markets.
Now, BC's Premier and coastal First Nations have been vocal against a pipeline going through their province. However, others in British Columbia disagree, saying a pipeline is needed now more than ever, particularly because of the developments in Venezuela. We'll hear from them in half an hour. Kent.
Okay. Nicole, thank you.